So, gumawa ako ng mga napaka-raw, walang ano, parang low quality
Mm.
videos. Ta's ina-upload ko sa Facebook,
Mm.
IG, and even YouTube. I had YouTube back then. Ginagawa ko. Ta's like, I just did it for fun. I missed, because as a downtime, ginagawa ko. I enjoyed the process of making something. So I did it because I was alone, I was lonely. LDR pa kami ng girlfriend ko pa yung wife ko noon. So my videos were like expressed for her. So ginagawa ko yung videos out of my passion for a relationship. It wasn't nothing about people,
Mm.
some nagvo-vlog or something like that, but all my videos was geared towards my ex-girlfriend, now my wife back then. So ayun,